I'm the passenger.
Once was me driving.
And my driver.
For so long. I can't take you in the manual because you don't have a manual license. Oh, you don't have your seatbelt. Oops.
See?
I'm just excited.
You be careful, Irene. Giving me a heart attack.
Everything's fine, right?
Opa! Just
That's what you do. Stay with me, man.
kaya ba? May driver na ako. Slow down, Eunice.
Slowing down, I'm on 20. I'm on 20. I know what I'm doing.
Yung manual siya. Ito lang yung maganda pag manual, ano kay. Pwede kang mag-drive ng automatic. Unlike me, automatic ako. Automatic lang talaga. Bumili lang kami na soft drink. Siya yung pinag-drive ko. Tinatamad kasi ako. Pakayabang na. Sabi ko i-drive yung sasakyan niya. Ayaw niya. So, ito. You know where we're going?
Baby.
Yes. Why are you angry?
I'm happy. I'm finally driving with you. As soon as I get my P plates, you're going in the manual with me. As soon as. You're the first person I'm taking driving.
Okay.
Minus the GPS.
Matagal niya lang kasi akong pinapasakay sa kanya pag magdadrive siya. Ayoko. Ito lang pumayag ako. Which is, sobrang good niya na mag-drive. Malaki pa ito yung kaptiba namin
Is this the right side?
Yeah, it is. Nice. Parking. Oh, Eunice! Scott.
I'm scaring you. I know what I'm doing. Alright. Alright, now I go down. Yep, go. Me? The only reason why I stopped it was so I can drive with you. I wasn't even finished the chapter, but yet here I am.
Yeah.
Good.
You're doing good actually.
Because I'm driving manual.
Yeah, you're driving manual. No. You're so cruel to your mom, Irene.
I'm happy. I'm finally driving with you after all the times you said no. Even in this car. Even in the beginning.
Alright, now I trust you.
I still don't.
Can you drive me to Toowoomba now?
Let me get my papers.